Dr. Stephen Cross has been addressing a conference of BC salmon farmers here in NANAIMO this week, and he's piquing a lot of interest with his latest work testing how sugar kelp grows downstream of salmon farms.
My interest is whether or not we can actually culture commercially valuable species, seaweeds or kelps, and also potentially shellfish.
His work is being funded by several salmon farming companies that are looking to make better use of unused areas of their underwater tenures. And it seems that if you plant kelp seeds on strings like this in the downstream plume of nutrients from a farm, the result is very good.
Over 4 months, the kelp grew, and we were able to use the data on the growth of the kelp to look at whether or not there was a difference between kelp growing upstream, away from the nutrient plume, and within the plume. And as you move further away, you could see growth less than right next to the farm, which grew quite substantially.
Seeds on just one of these spools can produce as much as a half metric ton of kelp. Now, Stephen and his team of researchers from North Island College are watching the growth of their seeds at 34 different farms on the coast to see what areas are best. And salmon farming companies could be in full production as early as next year.
And sugar kelp, the common name of it, has the potential of being grown in large volumes and converted into bioethanol. So it actually can be converted into an alternate fuel.
There are other more common uses as well, which puts it in demand around the world.
This particular kelp is also used in Chinese recipes, kombu. It's used in soups and stews, that sort of thing. There's alginates in it that are used for stiffening things like toothpaste and ice cream. There's all kinds of uses.
He put the latest seeds in the water in December and January and is now eager to see how much kelp is growing. He'll be pulling them out of the water up and down the coast in May.